Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do a lot of skincare reviews on my channel. So if you're interested, then please make sure that you are subscribed so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. In today's video, I want to talk about the M Caffeine Espresso Face Scrub. The price of this face scrub is 229 rupees and you get 75 ml quantity of this product. The price and quantity is very similar to their face washes. The packaging also is very similar to their face washes. It comes in the plastic tube packaging in this black and white color. This is how the texture of this face scrub looks like. It comes in this thick and dark texture and it has these big size exfoliating beads. This is the complete ingredient list of this product. Some of the key ingredients are caffeine, coffee extract. They have also added walnuts and it contains vitamin B5. Now with these information aside, let's move on to the claims section and here's what they say. Get ready for face exfoliation with a shot of espresso. A perfect blend of coffee, caffeine, walnut and provitamin B5. This natural scrub deeply exfoliates, polishes and removes blackheads and whiteheads to reveal soft and smooth skin. The espresso coffee face scrub is equally effective for both men and women and suits all skin types. Overall review, they claim that this will give you smooth and soft skin because of its deep exfoliation and it will get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. Now I'll quickly share my overall review regarding the use of this facial scrub. Now I personally feel that chemical exfoliants are much better and much more gentle and effective in getting rid of blackheads, whiteheads and overall exfoliating the skin surface. But the physical exfoliants also can work for some people who don't like chemical exfoliation, but physical exfoliant is kind of become like older way, because most of the people have switched to chemical exfoliation because now chemical exfoliants are quite easily available in the market and a lot of brands are making them. So I feel this brand should focus on the latest skincare requirements of people and try to compete with other brands instead of just focusing on the packaging and the fragrance, which they even mention in their claims. So since I mentioned about the fragrance aspect of this one, I do want to mention that it does have a fragrance of mixed fragrance of coconut oil and coffee mixture. Now the texture. Okay, so I just recently reviewed their scalp scrub and I did not like that product at all because of its texture and the fact that it was very difficult to work with. Now when I was using this face scrub, I felt that this particular texture of this face scrub, the espresso face scrub, is very similar to the scalp scrub. The only difference between the only difference between the scalp scrub and the face scrub is that the exfoliating beads is slightly smaller in size of the facial scrub and the scalp scrub has like a little bit darker and bigger exfoliating beads. So that's the only difference. Overall, it's feels the exactly same like the scalp scrub. So I don't like the texture at all. The beads are quite large and when you are exfoliating, it sometimes stick to certain areas of the skin, certain areas it doesn't melt away, and that is the reason it can get extremely harsh. So sensitive skin people, totally avoid this one. This is not for you. But since it has those exfoliating beads, it does manage to get rid of a little bit of whiteheads and blackheads. It doesn't dry out the skin. The formula of this scrub is good. It is moisturizing, means it is not drying on the skin. While I was using it, I was like super careful and using it so gently without going overboard at all. So I had to be extremely cautious while using, and to be extremely careful and be very gentle, it takes a lot of time. So there are some facial scrubs which I've used in the past that also lathers, but this one does not lather at all, but is a little bit difficult to move the scrubbing beads in circular motions and all, because it can stick to certain areas of the skin. Yes, but in the long term use, it can be harsh and it can make your skin sensitive. So I would say avoid, and if possible go for chemical exfoliation instead of these type of physical exfoliants, because now we do have a lot of good products available in the market for chemical exfoliation. It didn't cause me any sort of breakout. It didn't dry out my skin after using this one. So it is okay, but I still feel the texture could have been improved, and you know, it does not melt into the skin when the exfoliating beads are being used. So that is something I don't like. And these were all my overall thoughts about the M-Caffeine Espresso Coffee Facial Scrub. I hope you found this video to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that's it from today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.